I'm Avi from Stat Gear, and we're proud to introduce our latest EDC item, the Tri-Tac EDC pen. We spent months designing the perfect blend between a tactical pen and an EDC pocket knife. We wanted to have all three features included in the design, but we also needed it to be as functional and comfortable to use as possible. We wouldn't consider using any other ink cartridge than the Fisher Space Ink that allows you to write in all different conditions, like upside down or on a wet surface. We've spent countless hours focused on the curvature of the pen grip, making it as ergonomically correct as possible so you can write comfortably for long periods. We've made the knife blade razor sharp out of 440C stainless steel and easy to pull out even while wearing heavy gloves. We'll be using the same factory that manufactures many of our other top-selling products and have a complete fulfillment team on hand to get these out to you without a hitch. Thanks for your support.